Good morning. What's going on? Out to the open wilderness I go. So this hike has been a bit of a challenge so far. There's not like a big clear indication like this is the trail, this is where you go. I'm kind of relying on all trails, the app on my phone to see if I'm going the right way, but also the big waterfall in the distance I think is the final destination. So as long as I keep heading this way, I think I'm all right. But then you run into moments like this where the trail is pretty clear. It's gonna be challenging. Come up for the challenge. So many lakes around here. Now, I do have to be on the lookout for black bears. I do not have spray with me, but I think they come out mostly at the nighttime. But you never know. I'm alone out here. First indicator of going the right way. Man, just climbed up the side of this cliff here. It's a challenge. I haven't seen anyone in like 45 minutes. I think I'm on the right path. I don't know where I'm going. Alright, I think my final destination is beyond this cliff, so I have to keep climbing up. But I need some energy in me. I didn't think I'd make it up this high. I made it to the top, kind of. I think all I have to do is just go over this edge over there, and then I've made the destination, so almost there. Alright, I made it. This is the top of where the waterfall starts. Avalanche Lake. See all the way in there. Really want to get in. Drink some of the water. Not sure if that's theirs, but someone's campground. Well, I'm all out of water. Luckily, I'm surrounded by water. That tastes great. Alright, it might take me 2.5 hours to get back down, so gotta start the journey now. I essentially got to go down this whole hill, follow the whole stream here, and see if I make it back safely. Might be more challenging going back down, actually. As long as I go down, you know. Gotta figure it out. All right, we got a little chunk done. Maybe a quarter. I don't know. I can't tell. It all looks the same. All I know is that the car is down there. So funny enough, this is where I stopped to have the sandwich before. Remember those arrows I saw on the way up? One right there, another right there. Kind of crazy, I've stumbled across the same exact path on the way back down. This was a really challenging part on the way up. I came up that direction and came this way. So hopefully down is a lot easier. Alright, progress. I think we're done with the more challenging section of it all. The rest is just walking in that general direction, I think. I hope. Getting lower. I do see a path here. I feel like I took a completely wild path on the way down. But we made it, kind of. I haven't seen anyone else this entire time. It's just those guys up there at the top at Avalanche Lake. Haha, the sign. Some sort of progress. I wonder what time this was when I first passed this was at. I'll look later and maybe I'll add it to the text here. But this sign right here. So I essentially went all the way up here to Avalanche Lake. Look at all the other lake options. So much more of this land to see. So the huge waterfall that we were looking at the entire time on the way up, I climbed all the way up there, over there. That's what this hike was. Pretty cool. Oh, what a long hike. It took about 4 hours and 42 minutes. The distance was 4.5 miles. Elevation gain 1,376 feet. Yeah. Oh. Ow. Fuck you. God damn it, dude.
Hello?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Sorry, I'm being lost away and
You what? Say that again.
here tonight, so I have the ranger phone. Yeah.
I couldn't hear any of that. Can you say that again?
How are you feeling?
Good. I'm almost there to the campground. But yeah, that was quite a challenging hike. I mean, I had to climb like rocks and shit, and like there wasn't a path. There was a little bit, but then like at one point it just turned into like we think it's this way, and like had to follow the rocks and some footprints, and then I pretty much went all the way up to the top of like the big old hill or mountain or whatever, and went up to where that waterfall was, and also Avalanche Lake. All right, well I just got to the campground.
Oh, what? You just pulled in?
Yeah.
Well, if you'd like to, you can meet me in the parking lot. So you can park in front of Rayleigh's, and then I'll meet you there.
Okay.
Way hotter than I thought, and I'm wearing my freaking fluffy jacket.
Yeah, that was a
freaking sweating balls.
That was a freaking mistake.
Yeah, I know. I just thought it was colder.
No.
I look like a fucking tooth right now.
A tooth?
But yeah, I'll see you at Rayleigh's.
Yeah, I'll just look for the QR code.
Yeah, true. Look for the girl with the bike and the dog.
Oh, easy to find. All right, I'll see you in a moment.
All right, bye.
Well, look who it is.
Guy with the QR code.
That's me.
We want to pull up a little bit.
I figured. I didn't know where we were going. Are we going in here?
I'm going, yeah.
All right, all right.
Last time they had 3 persons. But does that one hold a 4?
A whore? Sweet thing. Got your dip ready?
Oh, thanks.
You will.
Have you ever made much any dip like that?
Dipped already made. I mean, I've had it before.
All I can say is that I'm sorry. The whole world was watching, I still dance with you.
We're trying to get the grill ready outside. But we got some food. We're trying to get the grill set up outside. But we got some dip right here. I'm cleaning up.
This may not be right. Oh, that's what that thing I asked
The
was.
thing.
Yeah.
The thing.
Remember I was like, where do you go? Or where do you belong?
This guy?
Yeah.
The thing.
Don't film this mess. It's so messy. It's too messy.
Just for a hot second.
You're like gonna film all of my trash.
I'm sorry. Here,
It's awful.
it's fine. It's normal.
It's not normal.
Shall we say grace?
Thank you. Thank you for making these burgers.
I don't think aren't you trying to do like the sorority thing? You know.
I don't know.
You just go like where like you wrap your arm. Yeah. That's too far. I can't do that. That's okay.
Oh, can I get up?
Mm.
I hate it. Sorry. Like, wow.
Sitting around for too long. It's too hot. Too cold.
You're pushing me too much.
I was what?
Pissing me too much.
Damn straight I was.